taking great photographs is only half the story. How you edit your photographs can mean the difference between a good photograph and a great one. Unedited and raw digital photographs lack soul, and working with the colours and tones helps to add personality and character, and create exciting and diverse photo edits that speak. The range of colour editing tools available in Adobe Lightroom Classic can be a little overwhelming, but learning what each of the tools does and how it differs from other tools and how it can be used in combination with other tools to enhance a look can make your editing process much more versatile and will help you produce more considered and aesthetically pleasing edits, helping your images tell a story. I'm Dominic Regini-Brand, a professional photographer, designer and teacher passionate about film photography and recreating filmic looks in my digital photographs. And in this class, I will be sharing with you my special tips, techniques and workflows for getting the most out of Adobe Lightroom's tools for enhancing color edits of raw photographs by developing your understanding of when and how you can use various Adobe Lightroom tools for working with colors and tones. This class is designed for intermediate and advanced level photographers, graphic designers, photo editors, and content creators. And to get the most out of this class, you will need access to the latest version of Adobe Lightroom Classic or Adobe Camera Raw, and have a reasonable understanding of photographic terminology and basic editing tools. Whether you are looking to take your photo editing skills and proficiency to the next level and create more varied edits, or feel overwhelmed with all of the tools available and don't know where to start, this is the class for you. Through the structured approach I will be sharing in this class and looking at the different tools available, their uses and their place in editing workflow, you will be able to enhance your understanding and better integrate them into your editing workflow to build exciting custom edits. So join me in this class and harness the full potential of Adobe Lightroom's color editing tools to create photographic edits which are full of character.